This video tutorial I will explain create table with select syntax. We can create one table from another table by adding a select statement at the end of the create table statement. Here you can see the syntax create table, then the new table name as select star from the original table name. We will see the example now. Here you can see employee table. It has 6 records. From this employee table, I am going to create employee backup table using this query. Create table employee backup as select star from employee. Refresh. And here you can see employee backup table is created with all the columns in employee table and all the records from the employee table. Next, I am going to create employee backup table from this employee table, and in that backup table, I want only employee ID and employee name columns. Then I can use this query. Create table employee backup as select employee ID, comma employee name from employee table. I am executing this query. Refresh. Here you can see employee backup table is created and it has only 2 columns, employee ID and employee name, and the records from employee table. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.